In this video, we're having a little bit of cartoon fun with our wood carving. Hand carving cartoon characters, I've always found is a lot of fun. It's something that I've done for many years, and it's an aspect of wood carving that I've always thoroughly enjoyed. Now I think it's something to do with, the expressions and creating something familiar, and you sort of get into that mindset of what those animators, what they were trying to get across. It's the characters in themselves are animated, and it's great then to transfer that across into a material like wood and to try and very much bring them alive. If we look at the process of how we hand carve a cartoon character, what I do is I tend to select a pose that I think would be suitable for relief carving. We then look at transferring that drawing onto the wood itself, and it's a process then of bringing things out and pushing other things back. So you're adding those details using your different curved gouges to add the detail of the carving, and really you're trying to get the expression and the character that the animators put into the particular cartoon character. You're trying to bring that out then in wood. And it's a parallel then to what the animators would have been doing, because they were trying to sort of create a realistic image in 2 dimensions. And you end up sort of trying to give it that 3-dimensional depth, but ultimately you are working in 2 dimensions. It really is a process that's great fun. It's something that I would recommend anyone to have a little go at, because it's a good way of developing your skills, but it's a fun process, and it's the finished result that you get really is a fun character. Now of course you can't do this commercially because of the rights restrictions, copyright, that sort of thing, but as a little project to have some fun at home and to have some fun through your wood carving, it really is a great process and a great way to learn and to develop your wood carving skills. Hopefully that will be just a fun idea for anyone who's looking to develop their wood carving skills to consider to develop your ability to wood carve. It's a fun way to do it, and it's a good way to highlight that the things that you carve can be as serious and meaningful as you want to and carry a message, or they can be just a simple bit of fun and something that you enjoy doing. Thank you all again for watching. We hope you've enjoyed seeing that, and maybe it'll be an idea for some people for keeping their wood carving enjoyable. As always, we will be back soon with more videos. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to put a little like. If you're new here, if you want to see more of our content, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And as we always say, thank you again for watching.